We found this glacier runoff at the bottom of the Bighorn Forest. And Mike decided to take a dip in this very ice-cold glacier runoff. Go for it! Oh my word. He didn't stay in long. Oh boy. Let's go, shrivel nuts.
Sinead, hold on. Hold on, I hear something. Shh, listen. Listen.
Dear God. No more cherries. I hope you brought a wipe or something. We're at Artist Point in Yellowstone National Park.
Show him your injury, Sinead.
Look over here.
Sinead, show him your injury.
No, because you yelled at me for not wearing hiking shoes. And
Well,
it's
she
like
tumbled down the
Disneyland
hill,
here.
and she got her, and she all bloody, and she ripped her pants. But this is a pretty sweet waterfall. Oof, that stinks.
You know what that reminds me of? Mike's butt after burrito night. That stinks.
Whatever, Sinead.
We are visiting the Grand Tetons, and they are massive. We are in Jackson, Wyoming, and we are oiling our chains up, getting ready for the ride. They do not want electric bikes. If you're gonna mountain bike this, you have to earn it with pedal power. In the distance over there, I see a trail camera, so I'm gonna have to be on the lookout for those when I go to take a pee in these woods. Holy crap, you've got to be kidding me. More climbing. Whew. Don't get too far ahead of me. I don't want to get eaten by a grizzly bear or charged down by a moose.
Jesus, what's wrong?
I know, my breath. Ooh.
Whoa, Sinead, you okay?
Yeah.
Are you okay? You okay?
I fell in all these wildflowers.
Oh my!
Yes.
Oh goodness! Wow.
For some reason, I'm attracting bees. Go ahead.
A little scary, sweetie. Yeah, this is a little. Yep. Yeah, a little scary, sweetie. Oh yeah. Oh. That was fun.
We are about 30 miles outside of Sun Valley. We found this free camping site and we're gonna go check it out. Behind the camper, we found this nice spot and it has a trail that leads right down to a creek that I guess is known for fly fishing. Thought I heard something over there in the bushes. It scared me. It's absolutely beautiful. And you can't beat free.
Just another dinner from March.
It's cod tonight.
Cod. Always fishes. Always fishes. Sinead, what you making?
Well, making the smooth move tea because I'm having a little problem.
With your number 2s?
Yeah, but not anymore. This is like an explosion in the morning. Cleans you right out. Highly recommend.
I have to empty the toilet, so. Oof. All that food's gotta go somewhere.
We made it to Sun Valley, Idaho, and we're gonna check out this town for a few days. It looks pretty nice. So right now we're just eating lunch in the park, and stay tuned for our next adventure.